to be showing you how to make Mayo ketchup. It's a sauce that most Spanish people use for dipping purposes, and it's best known for dipping plátanos. So I'm going to show you how to make that. Alright, so what you're going to need is ketchup, garlic powder, pepper, mayonnaise, and some salt. And make sure you have 2 spoons, one for your mayonnaise and one for mixing. So I'm going to take the mayonnaise first, and I'm going to take a tablespoon, and I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, just like that. I'm going to put 2, 3 teaspoons of ketchup. I'm going to put some pepper. This is to taste. Some garlic powder to taste. And a little bit of salt to taste. And we're going to mix it up. Really simple sauce. I eat this on bacon, egg, and cheese sandwiches. I like to dip this in, I like to dip my pizza in this. I like to eat this with, of course, plátanos. I like to make this with sorullos. If you guys know what that is, like a Puerto Rican corn fritter. Okay, so it's looking good. At this point, you want to taste it to make sure it's seasoned good. See if it needs more ketchup, more mayonnaise. It's literally perfect. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy that really simple Mayo ketchup recipe. Enjoy.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like this recipe, please follow my page at Cooking with Kelly Michelle on Instagram. Make sure to like my video, and if you use my recipe, please tag me in all of your photos and videos. Thanks so much for watching.